Hello my friends, welcome back here to the channel. For today I have a project that you can learn here how to export and import the DXF file here on the Fusion 360. For that I have a sample here that is a box that can flat and export the DXF file to make this object. Remember, consider here to subscribe to the channel, and in the first link you can download my ebook with all these projects that I made here on the channel. Let's start. Create a new project here, select the first plane, and we will start to create some lines just to make our profile. Another lines here, here, and here, and these middle lines. Hold the Ctrl, click X to change to construction lines. Constrain in the middle and start to add some measurements. For that, 200 millimeters, 50 millimeters, and that distance is 50 millimeters. 50 millimeters, 150, and that is 50. And align here with 50 millimeters. Now we have our profile to create the box here. Here on this sheet metal, we can a flange tool and start to create our profile. Change to side B, that we can change the side that we created this object here. In the sheet metal rules, we can make that as a 1 millimeter thickness and unhide the sketch. Start to bend. First we can create in the stationary side, and after we click on the line that we use as bend. Use in this example as start and 90 degrees and click OK. Repeat the process, click in the stationary side and click the line. Another one here, here, and here, here, and hide the sketch. Now we have our box here. The measurement is 55 millimeters. We can create our flat part. Now the box is open, and in this process we can start to export the DXF file here, clicking in this button, save as box, DXF. You can open this project and have the access to these lines. You can make some changes if you want. And here we have the bend extent. Here, that is the bend. The line that we use to bend this sheet of metal, and the outlines. With that we can import these lines to the Fusion 360. Return. We can open a new design, create a sketch, select a plane, and insert DXF. Select the file select from my computer, in this case, select the file, and I can import the outliners, the band lines, and the band extent. In this case, I can import everything. Now I have the profile, and I can repeat all the process here on the sheet metal. Add flange, select all the profiles including the X band, here and here, here and here. The side is 2 to create the below the profile. Okay. Here on the sketch we can unhide the sketch rules 1 millimeter. Okay. And we can start to create the bands. Select the stationary side, the first line here, and repeat the process to create our box here, here, on the first line, hide the sketch. Now we have our boxes. We can measurement here, 55 is 55 millimeters. These are the process to export and import DXF files in the Fusion 360. I hope you liked this video. If you like, you can subscribe here below, and remember, you can download my book in the first link of the description. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.